Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back on my channel. Now this is another lecture series from BUDNICK. Today we have discussions related to section number 4.1, question number 2046. This question actually it is related to the linear cost function, and you have to find out the linear cost functions, and again through that linear cost function you have to find out the variable cost as well as total cost or fixed cost. So now here the objective of this questions or this topic is related to find out the variable cost, fixed cost, and total cost. Okay, now first of all, look at this question, and remaining questions I have we have discussed in our classes in physical classes, so you can cover from that these topic from there. And remaining questions of this book I have already pointed out. Okay, you have to do yourself as a practice questions, and we have covered almost all kind of the questions. So I think after completion of these questions you will be able to solve all kind of the questions which we have already discussed or we have already marked in our class. Okay, the local electric company uses the following methods for computing monthly electric bills for one class of customer. Okay, the objective of this question is that कि local electric company actually use कर रही है monthly electric bill methods for one class of customer, and a monthly service charge for $5 is assessed for each customer, and in addition the company charges $0.095 per kilowatt hour. What does it mean, this statement? Okay, now every customer has to pay actually $5, that is fixed charges for services of the key electric. Now second, there are the some variable charges, kilowatt hours. Okay, if in hours you use different kilowatt, so you have to pay $0.095 as per that kilowatt. So this is actually the variable charges, and $5 is a fixed charges, that is called the service charges, or sometime we technical term we call it that it is the withholding tax or something else which is fixed, because either you are consuming 0 unit of the key electric, you have to pay $5 to hold the services of the key electric, okay, or the electric company. What I am using the word key electric because we all are the familiar with the key electric, that's why I'm using the word of the key electric here. Okay, now move forward. uh, Here, if the C represent monthly charge in dollar, and actually this is the cost to consume electricity, and K number of kilowatt hours, K how many units you consume, it is represented by the K here. The first part of this question is determine the function which express the customer monthly charge as a function of number of kilowatt hours. Okay, so what does it means? C is a function of kilowatt. I can write this one. Yeah. So C is a function of kilowatt, number of kilowatts, and use these functions to compute monthly charge for customer to use 850 kilowatts. So when customer consume 850 kilowatt units, so what will be the total cost of this customer or monthly charges of that customer? So here you have to find out the total cost as well as variable cost with respect to 850 units of K electric or electricity. Now here, first of all, solution, move part A. Yes. Okay, determine the function which express the customer monthly charge as a function of So we can write this one here. Okay, cost of electricity consumption is a function of K, number of units which we consumed in month. Okay, so now first of all, what is your fixed charge? So I can write that fixed fee or charges equal to $5 as per this statement. That is service charges. Service charges to hold electric service. Okay, to hold electric service, you have to pay this service charges, which is fixed. And here, variable charges, variable charges, that is variable cost, which is $0.095 with respect to number of units. Number of units. Number of units. Okay. Now you can write a function here. Function of electricity services क्या होगा? C equal to $5 plus 0.095 K. This is your cost function. Cost function. Okay, this is cost function. And now this cost function has fixed cost of $5, and this is kind of the variable cost here. Okay, so now in the first part, the customer monthly charge as a function of number of kilowatt hours. So the first part is now completed here. Okay. Now the second part is use these functions to compute monthly charge for customer to use 850 kilowatt. Now B part is monthly charge for consuming what? 850 kilowatt hours. Yes. So I represent this monthly charge as a variable cost, which represented by 0.095 multiplied by 850. So calculate this monthly charge here. Yes, $80.75. dollar 80.75. Clear? And find out find out total cost to consume 850 units. So it means C 850 equal to 5 plus 80.75. So you have $85.75. $85.75. This is your C 850. Okay. Now this question is completed here. Clear? So it means K again, excuse me. In this section 4.1, question number 46, I just repeat again. You have to find out the variable cost, total cost, and cost functions to hold services for K electric or services for electricity here. So in this questions, we have $5 as a fixed charges to hold electric services and $0.095 for each kilowatt hours. So we calculated, first of all, we defined a cost function here. This is our cost function, and similarly, we separately calculate variable cost and to consume 850 kilowatts hour. So we calculate this is our variable cost, and similarly we calculate the total cost for this units. So now finally we have completed this question here. So watch this video and try to understand and try to solve other questions from this exercise. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.